For many enterprises, traditional Wi-Fi is no longer just an inconvenience. In massive factories, ports, or hospitals, it has become a real barrier to automation, causing costly delays and limiting what technology can achieve. Wi-Fi struggles in high-density or high-mobility environments. Signal drops and unpredictable performance during handovers are not just technical issues. They are multi-million-dollar bottlenecks for automated systems and mission-critical operations. Private 5G is stepping in as the enterprise's essential third network layer. It is not about replacing Wi-Fi or public 5G, but about adding a dedicated layer for mission-critical workloads that demand reliability, stability, and seamless mobility. The private 5G market is scaling fast. By 2025, around 6,500 private LTE and 5G networks will be deployed globally, with the market projected to reach up to $25 billion by 2030. Unlike Wi-Fi, private 5G uses scheduled resources and dedicated spectrum, delivering stable, deterministic performance for robotics, autonomous vehicles, and real-time control systems, where Wi-Fi simply cannot compete. Enterprises are moving from heavy, custom deployments to as-a-service models, lowering barriers and enabling IT teams to focus on outcomes. The question now is, where does private 5G outperform Wi-Fi in your operations? Provision Networks ensures the network's modern businesses depend on actually perform,